Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work, and I will be decorating with stickers from Let's Plan It. This is the honey collection, and I have the supplemental sheet as well as the deco sheet that I'll be decorating with today. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this because that's on my to-do list, and I'm gonna choose what color. I think I'm gonna go with brunch date. That's in my little pen designs pen here. And this is my last week of work before I go on vacation. So there won't be a HOBONICHI weeks plan with me for the next 2 weeks after this. Because why would I decorate the planner if I'm not going to use it? I know some people still like to decorate, but I am not going to. So, and then use my Pelican 140, which currently has, what is it, this one? Ferris wheel press Moss Park Green. And I like adding the days of the week on the side like that. So then, I want to take, oh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna take, oh, this is hard. What do I choose? Because there's some really cute deco here. Okay, I'm gonna take this one and place it here right on Sunday, which is my birthday. And then I'm gonna place this one, be your, oh my gosh, that is adorable. Cute. Then I like this one. Place this one. You know what? I don't really care if it's upside down. And then I think I'm gonna take green, and I'm gonna take one of these. Oh, I like the bee kind. I like this too. Let's do this one. So I'm gonna do just like this. Although the two together feel like it's a lot, so I might not actually do that. It feels like a lot going on in that corner. So I might do something that's a little bit less crazy. What about the busy bee? Oh, I like that better. Because yeah, next week will probably be a bit busy. Cute. And then one last thing down at the bottom. I'm gonna use maybe the yellow. Let's use the yellow and combine it with this one because I really like this one. The sticker isn't stuck. And that way I'm not covering any of the quotes. I'm still featuring the stickers. Perfect. So I still have plenty left for my HOBONICHI cousin, as well as decorating all of the daily pages. So let's go ahead and fill in my meetings. So there's my overall finished spread. Simple, yeah, really, really cute. I know the blue post-it or the sticky note doesn't really match, but it's reminding me what I need to do next week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And this is a kit again by Let's Plan It, another Canadian shop who I absolutely adore. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.